Hey Dons, sorry I will not be able to be with you guys today, so just wanted to make this video so you have a sense of what you should be doing, because I do have some homework for you tonight. It should not take much time. It's what my 8th period class was able to get done in class, and will be graded, so make sure you get it done by the end of the day today. So, you're going to do the following. You're going to open up your notebook. I went into Eric's notebooks, so Eric, hope you don't mind. When in Eric's notebook, you will go into the handouts section of your own personal notebook. So just to be clear, when you go into it, it'll look something like this, except for without everyone else's names. You'll click on your name. You'll click on handouts, and you'll see the bottom page in your handout will be what you're looking for. So you're going to do the following. Over the weekend, you should have developed a thesis statement using the guidance that I'd given you guys last week in class. What you're going to do now, once you develop your thesis statement with your 2 subclaims, you are going to complete this graphic organizer connected to that. So if you think about your thesis statement may have been something as simple as revenge has the concept of revenge has impacted Hamlet's relationship with Ophelia and his mental stability. If that's your thesis statement, you will pull out those 2 subclaims and put them directly into the top part of this graphic organizer, and you'll throw some quotes underneath there, and then you'll analyze the quotes. Pretty straightforward. You'll see a blank graphic organizer directly below this to model or to help guide you in the right direction. So this is your model. This is what you'll actually be working on. Now to complete the graphic organizer, you're going to do the following. You're going to double click on this, on that document. Click OK. Once it opens up, scroll down to the bottom and write your claims. So it's pretty straightforward. Claim 1, claim 2, support, analyze, and then you're good to go. Now, when you're finished with this, you can upload this back into OneNote in a variety of ways so that I can see it and grade it. The easiest way that I would encourage you to do it is to do the following. You're going to go to File, Print. All right. You're going to choose the Send to OneNote 16 printer. You're going to click on Print. All right. And you're going to click Yes because we don't care about the margins on this. Now, when this paper comes up, most likely you'll be able to choose this bottom option, which says Current Page, Plan Outline Your Paper. Use this one. When you click OK, it will paste it right directly back into this spot so that we can see it and I can grade it. So, hope that makes sense. The only other thing that I want to tell you is that in your by the end of the day today, in your handouts, I will also send to you your study guide that you can start working on. Cool. Enjoy the day. Safe journeys home, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. Peace.